What's up, everybody? Today on TK Driven, we're going to fix the really poor lighting in this garage with some very inexpensive LEDs from Amazon. So this garage is very poorly lit. The whole time I'm working in here at night, I'm constantly squinting and wearing lights on my head, trying to see what I'm doing. I've only got these front fluorescents right here that are on a switch, and then those garage door lights that will time out and turn off. And you have to walk back near the motion sensor near the door to get them to turn back on. And even when they're on, they don't add much light. So I found on Amazon these linkable shop lights. They're LED, they're really inexpensive. And we're going to install these in here and see what difference they make. So let's unbox one of these guys and see what we got in the box. So there's 4 of them in the box, and they're all linkable, which should make for a much easier installation process. Maybe not in this application, but I can see where they'd be really handy in some. So that's all they are. They weigh almost nothing. It's 2 LED beams, tubes, and you've got your connection on this end with a switch. And on this end is a place to link them together, another place to plug it in. And it comes with a little pack of hardware. There's some screws and a little chain and some drywall anchors. So that's got everything you need to put them together. Huge difference already. There's so much more light. It's all done. Check this out. Wow, this is so exciting. I mean, there's like light everywhere now. Well, except for over there. I don't have any for that space yet. This is a world of difference, and for as inexpensive as these are, I can't think of a better solution. Obviously, I'm going to zip tie up this surge protector and maybe get little tiny extensions to get these guys secured to the ceiling. This is just a temporary, wanted to test it. But this is incredible for as inexpensive as these are. I'm super excited. Maybe now I won't go blind working in the garage at night. All right, guys, that's it. Jeez, it's really bright in here. I sure do appreciate you liking and subscribing. Oh man, oh, let's see. Oh, there we go, that's much better. You guys have a good one.